Oh, hi. First of all, a disclaimer. If you're in a hurry, just shut down the video because I need you to see with me the beauty of this website. It's not a sponsorship. You'll be like,
Well, how can you be sponsored without having any followers?
well, dear viewer, I just like this website so much. I think it may help some people with making their logos, because I was struggling with the websites. They would let you create the logo and then be like, oh, give us the money. I ain't got no money, so when I found this, I just couldn't stop appreciating it. So bear with me.
Okay, let's start.
We will choose now the visual style that we want. I'll just go with calm. We'll add the business name. Make sure the business name is catchy, you know. Then the slogan, Fashion Guru. Oh well. Here you got, what do you want the logo for? Just choose them all, it's great. Your physical store, business card, anything. You could use it anywhere. Just make sure that the logo is, choose it once and then it stays with you for a lifetime. If you want to create a brand or something. Here we got the designs that they made us. It's great. All of them are great. Oh my god, what am I choosing here? Well, I do this all the time. I just keep scrolling down endlessly because I think that I feel like I'm missing something. I keep scrolling endlessly. Well. I like this one with the blue, right? Let's just choose from the top. I guess this one with the black could be it. Yeah, it's good. It's good actually. The front. I don't know what this is about. The front. What do you mean? Yeah. Okay, I understand. Now the colors. The fun part. Crazy, right? This color is amazing. Let's just choose this one. Now the layout. Of course we're gonna choose the circle. Congratulations, your logo is done. We're about to finish. Just download the logo and then wait. They said they've sent the logo to our email. Oh, of course, you need to be logged in. I already did. You need to be logged in. I just passed that, you know. And now just download the logo from your email. It will give you a good package of things. You'll find out what all of this is. Let's see it. That's the fun part. Facebook covers, you got covers for everything here. They modify the size, depends on what are you going to use it for. And we're done. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see tutorials like this more. Subscribe. It's good for you.